Yeah, hi friends. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see what is view in a SQL Server. Okay. So yeah, view is nothing but it's a virtual table. Okay. When you create a view, it will create a virtual table. So you cannot see the table at anywhere. Let's assume. Okay. I have a table. I want to create a view for this. And one more thing in the view, you can perform only select. Okay. You cannot perform any other action. That is the main purpose of the view. So let's see how to create a view. Create a view. Okay, so create view, then view name. My view name is VWEMP. Use as keyword, then you can paste your request select query. Okay, and you can define the required columns or you can mention star. Okay, now I will execute this. I will execute this. See command run and see if I check in my tables folder. See, I cannot find the VWEMP. Then where I can see? Uh, you can see another folder called views. Okay, see here, it is there. Hmm. So here you can see the virtual tables are the views. Which are the views? All the views will be listed in here. Okay. Now let's see how to use this view. Copy the view name. Okay. Select star from view name. Executive. That's all. So now by using the view, you won't expose the table name. Okay. So the table name columns or the logic will be defined in the only one place in the view. No other person can able to change the logic as per their wish. So you can use this view. Let's assume you were using the employee in multiple screens. You want to show the same data. You can write a single piece of view. You can share it to the UI team. They can use it. And in the further also, if you want to add any new column or if you want to add any filters or to do add any logics, you can change in only one place. It will affect it in all the places. So this it is very useful to maintain for long-term project. So in this way, we can able to create a view. Let's see now how to alter a view. Okay, I will copy paste the code. You can use either create or alter. Okay, so what it will do, it will check for that this name view name. If it is already exist, then it will alter it, or else it will create. Let's assume, okay, I will give the one. Now we can see one more view. See, okay. Now if I give only alter, it will alter the existing view. Now I will specify only the one column name. Okay, alter, refresh it, only one. Okay, I will use the second view. See, there's only one. And one more thing is, once you created a view, still you can able to apply filter. Okay, like how you will do in the our normal query. See, I can perform everything, all the things I can able to do. What are the things you can do in the table, normal table query? The same thing you can also do here also. But you can do the filters only with the mentioned columns. You cannot pull all the columns here. Okay, see, in the table we have ID. Okay, ID column also. But in this view, I have only one column name. If I mention ID here, it will give error. Okay, so you can you will restrict the person to use only the required things. You won't expose all the columns to the user or other developers. This is very useful to maintain it. And let's see how to drop a view. Okay, drop view, then view name. Now the view is dropped. Let's refresh here. Okay, we can see only one view. If I run this, see, it's not there. Okay, so this is the main thing of the view. Okay, so thanks for watching my video, friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.